Hey guys, I was asked to analyze V10 index. So we'll be having a market analysis on this index in today's video. Price action basically. We're analyzing from the higher time frame down to the lowest time frame. Higher time frame can be the weekly time frame, right? It can be the monthly time frame, it can be the daily time frame. So here we're starting from the monthly time frame. Let's have a top-down analysis on this index. So on the monthly time frame on 10 index, you can tell that market has been in a downtrend at this point, right? Since this index started existing, you can tell that it's been on a decline. This index was formed on the 1st of March 2019, right? And the price level at this point was at 840, right? 8407. Okay, let's say it's 8403.300. That's the market value of this index when it was formed. And the current price level is at 7125. It had a high value of 8210, right? Or 834, 84105, whatever it is, but it's in the 8 levels. And it went as low as 5961, 5905 would say. That's the lowest value of this index. So at this point, we can say that we had a reversal of this downtrend, right? The market was in a downtrend at this point. Market was in a downtrend at this zone, creating lower highs and lower lows. Let's identify the market structure at this zone. So we had a high, the highest high of the market at this point, right? We got another high at this zone, but a lower high. We have to identify the market structure for better analysis. We got another high at this point, a lower high. We got another high at this zone. This is the last lower high the market formed. Then we got a low at this point, right? A low here. We got another low at this point, a lower low, and we got another low at this zone, a lower low. Then this is the last lower low the market formed. That's the lowest price value of this index, the lowest market value of this index. So here we had a break of this last lower highs at this point. We had a break of this last lower highs. So there was a break of structure at this zone. We can tell that there was a break of structure at this level. The market has shifted from a downtrend currently to an uptrend, creating higher lows and higher highs. So we got the first lows of the market at this zone. We got another low at this point, a higher low here. We got a higher low at this zone. Then we got a high at this point, right? Then a higher high. This is the last lower high the market formed. It has turned to a higher high. It has turned to a high, would say it's a high at this point. Currently is a high at this zone because we didn't have any previous high currently. So this is a high, the first high the market formed, right? Then we got another high at this zone. This is the last high the market has formed. This is the higher high the market formed. So let's identify it as well. So this is the market structure currently on V10 index. So we can tell that the market is bullish on this index. Right, the market is bullish on this index. Let's clear this chart so we can have a clear identification of our key levels. So after identifying the market structure, the market direction on the monthly time frame, next thing we do is to spot the market key levels and zones on the monthly time frame. Right, so let's clear the chart so we can spot the market key levels. So we have this level. Let's clear this thing. So we have our first key level at this zone, our first key level at this point, because we got the market reacting this level as a support here. Market bought from here as a support, bought from here to a support, and bought from here as a support. So this has been a key level, a level of support, an important level basically. Then we have the next key level at this zone, the next key level at this point. Market reacting on this level as a resistance, right? So the resistance at this point got broken, but the market's here to retest this resistance level. So this is the current market situation. The market has failed to retest this broken level of resistance, turned support, right? The market has failed to react on this level as a support. So what do we expect of this index basically? What do we expect of this index? And we have the next key level at this point as well. This level was a support level, got broken resistance. So we can tell that the market is reacting, or the market reacted on this level as a resistance. The sells we got at this point, these two monthly candle sells we got at this zone, is a result of market rejection on this level of resistance. So are we to expect price to break out of this level, this identified key level? We'll be looking into all of that in this video. So the next key level we have is at this point. The next key level we have is at this zone. Market reacted on this level as a support, resistance at this point, and currently a resistance basically, because the market is yet to approach this level or break above it, turning to a support level. So that's the market situation on the monthly time frame. Let's identify the market trend. We've got the market trend at this zone, market creating higher lows and higher highs. Let's identify the market structure, right? So we got the higher highs at this zone. So the market is bullish on V10 index, we can say, because the market has shifted from a downtrend, which we got at this point, market being a downtrend, creating lower highs and lower lows, now creating higher highs and higher lows at this zone. So that's the market structure on the monthly time frame. Market is bullish, right? So coming to the weekly time frame on this index, we can tell that this is an important level, basically an important zone you should look out for, you should pay attention to. So I've been expecting the sells from this current level to this zone, at least on V10 index, for days now, but you can tell that the market has been consolidating here. The market has been playing around at this zone, yet to give us the sells, but I'm still bearish at the moment on this index at this zone. I'm looking out for the sells on V10 index. So let's expect the sells from this zone to this identified key level, because we've seen that this is also a neckline of a reversal pattern. We got the first low at this zone, we got the first low here, and we got the second low at this point. These two equal lows. This is a reversal pattern formation, a double bottom formation. So let's expect the retest of this broken neckline of this reversal pattern, this double bottom formation pattern, the retest at this point expected. And this retest will as well give us a test of our trend support, because on trend lines we have our trend support and our trend resistance. We can tell that this is a support level, a support trend, because we've seen how the market rejected at this point, bought on the test of this level, still bought at this point, bought on the test of this level, and you're likely to get the market buy on the test of this same level at this point. So the sell is expected on V10 index. Generally, the sell is expected on the weekly time frame on this index, right? And for more confirmations on this expected buy zone, let's bring up our Fibonacci 2 from the swing lows to the swing highs. You can tell that this identified level is in between the 61.8 retracement level and the 50.0 retracement level, which is a good retracement point. So if you can get the market sell to this zone, looking out for possible buys on this index. So how do we approach this market? Basically, how do we approach this market? So let's go to the daily time frame to have a clear view of this index. So on daily time frame, you can tell that market is already creating this lower high structure, which is a bearish structure, which is a bearish formation, and the sell is expected from this lower highs formation to our identified key level, which we got as this zone. The sell is expected to this zone. So to look at for possible sell zone on this index, we have a broken level of support, a broken key level, which we got at this zone to look out for as well. We've seen how the market bought from this level as a support, reacted on this zone, bought from here towards a support, got broken, support broken, turned resistance, and currently the market is reacting on the test of this level. The market is rejecting on the test of this broken level of support and resistance, and we're getting the sells on the time frame on this index. So more sells expected to this identified level, more sells expected on this index from this current price level to this zone, to this key level we got at this point. So how do we approach this index? How do we take advantage of this trade opportunity? Right, we have a level 2 which you have to watch out for. This level of support, this is a key level we have to watch out for, right? But the sales expected, at least first sell target should be at this support level, then our next target level should be at this zone, right? So how do we take advantage of this trade opportunity? How do we get into the sales at this point? Coming to the 4-hour time frame, we can tell that there was a good test of this identified level at this zone. There was a good test of this level at this point, and we had a formation which is clearly seen, which can be clearly seen on the 1-hour time frame. So when we go to the 1-hour time frame, we can tell that market formed a double top formation. We got the first highs at this point, we got the first highs at this zone, then we got the first highs at this zone, then we got the second highs at this level. This is a good double top formation, and we got the neckline of this reversal pattern formation. Remember, double bottom formations are reversal patterns. We got the neckline at this point which got broken, so we have to wait for a retest of this broken neckline of this reversal pattern, a retest of this neckline at this zone. So if we can get the retest at this point, we're looking out for a couple of confirmations to short this index from the retest to the downside, to short this index, right? We're having our first TP level at this zone. Our first TP level should be at this point. Our second TP level would be at this zone. Our second TP level would be at this point, and our third TP level would be at this point. So these are my market expectations on this index. I'm looking out for sell opportunities on V10 index, looking out for sell opportunities. So let's watch closely on market progression on this level, on this identified key level. And we can see that the market is creating this lower high structure, which is a bearish structure as well. So everything's looking bearish on V10 index, short-term bearish but long-term bullish, right? Everything's looking bearish on this index. We have this resistance trend at this zone. We got the market sell from resistance, sell from here towards the resistance. So we're likely to get the market pushed to the upside. Either we get a market reaction on this level, or we get the market pushed further to our trend resistance for these sales. So watching closely on market progression at this zone, watching closely on market progression at this level. Let's change the color of this and fill it up. Let's make it blue, right? So watching close on market price action at this level to short this index. Market price action for confirmations can be a reversal pattern formation like a double top formation, a head and shoulders pattern formation, a candlestick rejection on this level. So that's it guys, that's my market analysis and view on this index. Smash like button for market analysis like this and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. To my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for engaging my videos. It really means a lot guys. Let's do more and do enough for the peace.